Hi friends, in this video we will see how we can share the data between the two instances. Yes, if you have two instances, how we can maintain the data same for the both instances, so that if one instance the data is updated, automatically the data whichever is using by the another instance, it should also get updated. I will show you the scenario. Normally up to now how we have did is we have a single div id is equal to app. Now let's think we will maintain another id with, let's say, example app2. Okay, we have two divs with app2, so that for this div we will have a separate view instance, so that we will have separate set of view code for this one, and for app2 we will have a separate set of code for this one. Let's write that code. Now when you go to the main.js, we already have a new instance for the app. Let's remove this render, and what I will do is I will create a new view for the another app2. Okay, now what I want to try to do is I will have a data variable here, so that we have a username with name John. I need to use the same username in this view instance also. Let's copy this one and we will do it same thing. Okay, now we will try to use that one here. Now what I will try to use, I will try to use a input variable, input type is equal to text, and we will update that one using v-model. What is the name we are having here? We are having username. Okay, fine, we will copy that one and we will paste this one as a username, and I will be copying this same thing and I will be using that username here. Now this input box, this username will be referencing to the id is equal to app instance. That means nothing but this username, and for this id is equal to app2, in the input box what it is having, it will be referencing to this username. Now when we update the username here, automatically the instance is updated here, the data will be updated here for this instance, and if we update for the id app2, the data will be updated here. Let's see the output. Now let's run it. Okay, it's already running. Now what we will try to do is we will try to run the code. Okay, localhost we will be having 8080. Now I tried to run the code. Now what I am getting, I am getting John and John here. Yeah, fine. Now when you go to the inspect element, and if you see here in the view, in the dev tools, if you see, we are having two root instances. That means new instances are created. You have a and these instances is having the data username as a John, and this one is having the username as a John. Now what I will try to do is I will try to update here the username. What it is happening, if you go to the instance and if you see in the root, the username is updating for only this instance, but for this instance it is maintaining as a separate set of data. So this is the behavior, this is the normal behavior what we will be having, but we should not have this type of behavior. We should have what type of behavior is, if we update here the username, automatically this should be updated in the second instance also. This is the type of behavior what we need. How we can do that one? If we want, how we can do this? So this one will be having separate set of data and this is having separate set of data. How we can do it? If you observe here, this is nothing but an object and this is nothing but an object. Why can't we have separate variable, something like user data, so that it will be having username as John? Okay, now as John, I will be maintaining username as John. I will take this user data, and now what I will do, I will update it here and I will update it here. Now what we are having single source of truth, so we are having the data in a single source. So whenever this instance try to update the user data, it will be updating this object, and whenever this instance will be updating the data, it will be updating only again this object only. Now let's try executing the data. If we try to execute the data output, now if you see, I am updating the John. See, now you will be able to see both the data is updating. This is how we can maintain the data for the two different instances. some people can have, will be naming this variable as store. Now you can name this one as a store, and here also you can name this one as a store. Same thing happens. It will be sharing the, if we changed only the variable, it will be updating the same thing. So in this way, if we have two instances, in order to share the data between the two instances, we can do like this. So we are maintaining the single source of truth. For example, you may have a doubt, only this data might be the shared data, but I will be having separate data which is explicitly used by this instance only, and here it will be used by this instance only. Okay, fine, no problem. What we can have is, here we can keep that one user data, and you can maintain that store here, and you can have your own data. Okay, same scenario here also, you can maintain this one, and you will be having this their own data for this instance. Now you can have, if you go here, what you need to do is, you need to just change the name to user data dot username, and here also user data dot username. If you go here and if you update, so you will be having the same output. Now here the root you will having foo and user data username, and same thing you will be having this one, but this user data will be referenced by only the single source here, the object. In this way we can share the data between the two instances. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.